SAP HANA is an in-memory, column-oriented, relational database management system that is designed to support transactional and analytical workloads. It provides real-time analytics, improved data processing speeds, and reduced data redundancy. As a result, many organizations have adopted SAP HANA as their primary database platform, and many more are considering migrating to HANA. In this white paper, we will discuss the process of SAP HANA migration, the benefits and challenges of migration, and best practices for ensuring a successful migration. Why migrate to SAP HANA? Organizations may choose to migrate to SAP HANA for various reasons. The most common reasons include improved performance. SAP HANA provides faster query response times, real-time analytics, and data processing speeds, which can improve business performance. Reduced data redundancy. SAP HANA eliminates data redundancy, which leads to a reduction in data storage requirements and related costs. Simplified data management. SAP HANA simplifies data management by integrating transactional and analytical processing, providing a single platform for all data processing needs. Better decision-making. SAP HANA provides real-time analytics and insights, enabling better decision-making and improved business outcomes. The SAP HANA migration process. The SAP HANA migration process involves the following steps. Assessment. The first step in the migration process is to assess the existing IT infrastructure and determine the readiness for SAP HANA migration. This involves analyzing the hardware, software, and network infrastructure and identifying any potential compatibility issues. Planning. The planning phase involves defining the migration strategy, setting timelines, and identifying the required resources for the migration. Data migration. The data migration process involves transferring data from the existing database platform to SAP HANA. This involves extracting data, transforming it into the required format, and loading it into SAP HANA. Testing. The testing phase involves testing the migrated data to ensure that it meets the required standards and is functioning as expected. Go live. The final phase involves switching over to SAP HANA and ensuring that all systems are functioning as expected. Challenges of SAP HANA migration. While there are significant benefits to migrating to SAP HANA, there are also several challenges that organizations may face during the migration process. Some of these challenges include data complexity. Migrating complex data structures can be a challenging and time-consuming process. Integration with existing systems. Integrating SAP HANA with existing systems can be complex, requiring significant planning and coordination. Resource constraints. Migrating to SAP HANA can require significant resources, including hardware, software, and personnel. Training and adoption. Migrating to SAP HANA may require personnel to learn new skills and adopt new processes, which can be a challenge for some organizations. Best practices for SAP HANA migration. To ensure a successful SAP HANA migration, organizations should follow best practices that include engage with SAP and other experts. Organizations should engage with SAP and other experts to ensure that they have the required expertise and support for the migration process. Plan the migration process carefully. Organizations should plan the migration process carefully, defining the migration strategy, setting timelines, and identifying the required resources. Test and validate the migrated data. Organizations should test and validate the migrated data to ensure that it meets the required standards and is functioning as expected. Provide adequate training and support. Organizations should provide adequate training and support to personnel to ensure that they have the required skills and knowledge to work with SAP HANA. Conclusion. SAP HANA migration can provide significant benefits to organizations, including improved performance, reduced data redundancy, and simplified data management if planned and executed to best practice.